guys know I have a podcast. It's linked down below. It's Nichole Jacklyne Podcast. I post new episodes every single Friday. My slime shop is restocked and it is linked down below. It's slimebyjacklyn.com. Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be making over my very own Crystal Clears slime bucket that you can find right now on Amazon. All you search on Amazon is Nichole Jacklyne. It's linked down below as well, or Crystal Clears by Nichole Jacklyne, or just Nichole Jacklyne Slime Wars. It pops up like the first thing you'll see is right there. I'm actually going to be making it over the bucket with these 3 whipped soaps. So we're going to do the purple grape, bubble blueberry, and then this bubble gum whipped soap as well. So I'm going to have like fluffy slime with fidgets, which honestly might be such a vibe. So some really fun, like satisfying slime mixing, as well as mixing into some really fun fidget toys, which by the way, I do sell fidgets as well now. I have a bunch of Pop It Fidgets toys in stock in my store right now. Link is down below. Go and check them out. I have so many fun ones in stock. And then I'm also getting a bunch more very soon in store. This is in store right now. We have this in store. I have Pop It keychains, giant Pop Its, like 8x8 Pop Its, Simple Dimple, wacky noodles that like super long like wacky noodle things, and then with snappers, everything. Like I literally ordered it all. So shop nicholejacklyneyt.com for my fidget toys. They're all linked down below. Go and snatch them up, but let's hop on into it. Oh, by the way, get this video to 5,000 likes for a part 3. I've done a part 1 if you are not aware. I will link the part 1 down below. But for the part 3, if I should do like a butter slime mixing of the slime bucket and then butter like clay, comment down below, like the video, and let me know what your thoughts are. I would love to do that for you guys. Okay, so first and foremost, these gorgeous Pop-It toys. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so this is my clear slime bucket right here. It's so beautiful. It smells like oh yeah, it smells like cereal milk. I think it smells super good. Oh, it's super clear too. Obviously, like clear slime is, when you play with it, it gets a little foggy. But then if, oh, my nails looked so cool in that shot. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, obsessed. It's funny because it looks kind of foggy in the bucket, and you take it out and you're like, oh, it's totally clear, because look at this. Stunning. That was so stretchy. Hi. Okay, I'm going to take some out, a little section out, and then I'm going to take some of this. Let's do the blueberry one first. This is the Mr. Bubble Bubbleberry, but it's a blueberry. We're gonna turn this clear slime into a fluffy blueberry type texture. It's gonna be so nice. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's so fun. Okay, look at how fun. Whipped soap is so cool. It is literally just You're telling me that isn't coming out of an aerosol can? So cool. Why is that so fun? I'm never going in with 2 hands. What's funny is that actually, like, it gets so messy and then it gets so incredible. You're probably like, at this state? Yeah, but like making slime, it gets really, really dicey and then it gets beautiful. It's actually incredible how well it mixes. And that's the whole point of these buckets, is I want it to be like a clear bucket so it's mixable for all ingredients. If you want to do a butter bucket, if you want to get holographic, you want to do fluffy, it's already pre-made, gorgeous, clear, and everything. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's almost fully picked up off the table. Oh my gosh, it's so gummy. It's so nice. Oh, I live. Okay, so we have our fluffy slime, all fluffy. It's super jiggly and super nice, and it's still like a very nice like texture overall. I think I'm going to actually just, I went ahead and put it on top of this cupcake. So cute. The real ones will know where I bought this from. Comment down below where I got this. Comment down below if you know. If you know, you know. Okay, I kind of want to just like, okay. Fill it on top. Not sure what the goal is here. I don't know, maybe it'll be a vibe. Yeah, this is definitely cringy. Oh, but last time I did this and it was so, like, when you put the impression on it, it looks so cool. Oh my gosh, let's do this side. Maybe we'll try to actually keep it in the parameters. Y'all, when you have like 85,000 fidget toys, it's time to do one of these videos again because we have so many of them. Let's do... Oh, dang it. Right execution, a little bit too fast. What if you just did like... I don't know, man. The longer it stays in the molding, the faster it kind of like, huh? Yes. Oh, you can't even see that. Well, it's kind of freaky looking. I don't love that. Look at that stretch. If you aren't convinced to go buy the clear slime bucket by now, hello. I think it's so good. I'm truly so proud of it. I think it's a very fun bucket. I kind of want to see what happens when I add a little bit more. Is there a thing that's too much? Well, like probably. Oh my gosh, it's the best sound ever. Hey y'all, what's up? Like, I get it kind of looks like flubber, but you just wait. It really does feel incredible with the bubbly soap inside. Today's all about love. I love today. Let's do it with the jellyfish. Very cute. I love this like giant section in the middle, but it could have been like the best place to do another giant pop, but it, or even like eyeballs. I don't know. Could have been cool. Could have been cool. Would have been, could have been, should have been. Amazing. Oh, it looks so cool. It's a very slow pull off, otherwise it loses its shape. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh. Even kind of. Truly so fun. Okay. I'm going to put this aside and then we're done. When I make the other two, I want to do like a giant one with blue, purple, and pink mixed together. That'll be cool too. So let's get a little bit more. Oh my gosh. Oh, I really just love the scent of it. It's like literally like cereal. Like it's so stretchy too. It's like a cereal milk kind of vibe. I mix together the grape foam soap. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's so fun. I could play with this stuff all day. I just think it's the most fun thing ever. It's so incredibly messy, like, but then it's not. Hey y'all. It's quite satisfying because it's not sticky, you know, it's just like, it's literally soap. Literally. It smells so good with the grape mixture with cereal too. As if it's actually cereal. Let's do this guy. Do a little smoothie. Pop it. Oh my gosh. If you push it down hard enough, you literally can feel the buttons being pushed down, but like beneath the slime. Oh, it's the coolest texture, or the coolest feeling ever. It's kind of creepy how it falls out like that. So look, they're all on this side now. It's so funny. I'm gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna really try to be quiet. You can't really hear it. It's like I'm like literally making a pizza. Boom, they're all back down. Okay, but like it really is such a feeling. I cannot explain to you guys, like please, if you have slime in your house, please go line it up with your poppets and like knead it down in the individual sections, and it is such a cool phenomena. Obsessed. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. I cannot get over that. I'm going to mix together some clear, my gorgeous clear bucket. Oh my gosh, actually real fast, before we do that, I want to mix this with just like a normal fidget here. Kind of nice. Okay. It's a very like satisfying situation. That's for sure. It's just so fun. It's a very weird way to use a fidget toy, but like honestly, they're just pretty, so why not? Now we're gonna add the bubblegum. This is bubblegum whipped compound. Okay, that was a lot. This, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. It literally is like the best sound, and it's so fluffy. Okay, let's mix it together now. It really does get really messy. This smells just like a Hubba Bubba bubblegum though. It's the most like bubblegummy scent ever. I really love these fluffy whipped compound things. They're just such a fun experience to play with. She does get ugly before she gets cute. Let me tell you. This one's like so airy. Okay, I need more slime because I added so much more soap to this one. Compound. It just smells so good. Just clean. I think in comparison though, this one just gets really like very fluffy and bubbly, and the other ones are just like stretchy and light, and this one gets super fluffy. That's the Mr. Bubble versus the Activity Kings one. They're both so fun though. I have so much in here though. I have to like knead it out real quick. Kind of like borax, you have to really stretch it. What's next? And we'll do this one again. Listen, the sounds we have created today. Now this is a real good pot. Oh my gosh, it's so nice to take a little mixture here of the pink and the purple and the blue. Oh, we have some big pastel vibes. And I want to kind of like, okay, is this not like 27? This is totally some 2017 unicorn poo DIY slime. Like this is what it was, okay? This might even be 2016 Pinterest, truly. Like this is what it was, y'all. Like how it started, how it's going. It's so insane. I can't even say it without being like, me? No, I'm being punked. Hee. Okay, let's put this on here. You know what's happening right now? They're all, yep, the bubbles are all going in. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. It's gorgeous. And it smells amazing. You have blueberry, grape, and bubblegum. Okay, we'll do a little cupcake. I'm gonna put like, well, this is quite purple, but you'll do blue every third here. Make the top blue as well. And then we'll do this fluffy, the pink is so fluffy, you guys. Oh my gosh. This actually matches like pretty well. And then we'll do the purple here, looking just fantastic. Look at that. Isn't that not the coolest thing you've ever seen? You're like, no. It matches actually like really well. It looks like a literal Pinterest. Okay, like I can't get over that. Let me just play with my Papa toy real quick. Amazing. Okay, now we have to, of course, mix them all together, obviously. So we have some mixed, some purple, we have some blue. Look at that. Ooh, slingshot vibes. The texture is rather fun. Obviously, fluffy slime is one of those things you really can't sell because it deflates so much and just like gets weird. But it's so fun to make. Just let it drop. It's totally trying to mix together that pink Ew. I know that's so unsatisfying me. So not satisfying. Let's do one finale. We'll just let them, we'll cover them up. Oh my gosh, ooh. Oh my gosh, I wanna like a storybook. This reminds me so much of Orb Slimy. Y'all know the vibes, okay? I'm not sure what I'm doing here, but like, it feels right. The cool thing is they literally come out totally fine. A little bit of slime on that one. They're so easy to wash as well. Okay, I think we get the point. The slime is great. Nichole with Papa Toys. Nichole loves foam soap. It's so fun. But yes, you guys, I will have my clear slime bucket linked down below. It's on Amazon right now. Go check it out. I will also link down below all the Papa Toys I sell in my shop. Down below, shop nicholejacklyneyt.com. I sell Poppets, Simple Dimple, all fidget toys, even slime and slime supplies, all the above. So fun. You could even buy the bucket on Amazon, then also buy some supplies that I sell, and then have like a truly customizable experience. I sell like clay, slime clay, Fimo slices, sprinkles, Java chips, really fun add-ins for your slime. I truly just love how beautiful this is. Like, what a gorgeous, gorgeous mixture. Ugh, obsessed. I will link this down below for you guys to go and check out with the Poppet toys, all the links are in my store, shop.nicholejacklyneyt.com, to literally everything. But I will see you guys with a new video very soon. All right, guys, bye, love ya.